Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones both carried the bullish momentum which we had seen yesterday, and today we have seen US30 achieving 37,800 plus levels and US100 at 16,900. Now, what to expect with the US session and with the inflation data? How we can profit trading Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones? We are gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update should have already profited. Thus, if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Do like, share and comment. And yes, if you are not joined the channel memberships, press the join button, join the channel memberships and enjoy the perks. Let's start. First, we look into Nasdaq 100 followed with Dow Jones Watch List. First, look at the hourly charts for Nasdaq 100. You will find for 16,850 levels proving out to be a good support here. And it is also showing a reversal sign. But 16,880 right now is giving it a little resistance, because beyond which you can expect it to move towards 16,950 levels, which is going to be a greater resistance for the day. Now remember, 16,850, once it trades below 16,845, we can expect it to move towards the 20 period moving average, right now sitting at around 16,820, 830 zone. Very strong support, and this time I will wait for it to move towards 16, in fact 760, 750 zone, which is the next stronger support here. Possibilities there, but let's have a look. Stochastic has hit a bottom. The MACD, now see, MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with divergence. If you notice that MACD has seen the highs here, since then it has been trading here and it is looking downwards suggestive of bearish candles. RSI coming out of the overbought levels. Coming to 2 hour chart, likewise on the 2 hour charts, just look at the consolidation with the support here at 16,850. I will rather wait for it to break below these levels. Once it stays below 16,845, 820 zone, this is going to be the support zone, and once it breaks below this, we can expect it to drop towards 16,760, 780 zone, which is going to be a very good support. Rather, 740 to 780 is going to be the strongest support for Nasdaq 100 on the downside. Now see, on the 2 hour charts, prices are trading with too much of divergence from the moving average. Possibility for it to converge towards these levels exists is strong. Stochastic looking down. MACD is seen converging here. It has not yet crossed over. A crossover can call for the bears here. Yes, it has seen a sharper rise, and the crossover here can bring the bears. Also, this is almost close to an extremely high levels at plus 80. RSI near to overbought. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, we can see a V-shaped recovery here. And the second observation is the crossover in the moving average. 16,000 to 16,700 levels here. Moving average are positioned. Now, also if you look at, prices are trading with too much of divergence from the moving average. There is a strong possibility that it can try to converge, but only selling entry is below 16,845, where we can expect it to move towards 740 to 760 zone. Very good support, and then below that 700. If it breaks below 700, 16,650 is the strongest support, and Tech 100 is to be treated bearish if it trades below 16,650 only. Stochastic overbought, trying to look down. MACD has seen a good retracement here. It is still trading with the bullishness. It is still trading with divergence. RSI overbought as well. Coming to 4 hour charts, likewise on the 4 hour charts, there was a swing move. It has achieved the highs at 16,900 with the support at 16,850. Now it has to break on the downside, and which will confirm that prices might try to trade bearish from the current levels. As long as it stays above 780, 760, we are not going to treat this as bearish, and below that we can look forward to, in fact, 16,700. Moving averages crossing over here, certainly signs of bullishness. Stochastic is overbought. MACD has seen a good rise. It is trying to converge, but it is not showing any signs of reversal as of now. RSI overbought. Coming to the daily chart. Now, before we look into the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 28th mentorship batch, which starts in 3rd week of January. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for any of your queries related to the mentorship batch via Telegram or email, or you can visit my platform www.forexfunda.com. Here all your queries are answered. Also, you can book a call or schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. And this call is completely free if you are part of our webinar series, where every Sunday we discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. We take a day-by-day look, and I share the deeper insights. Do register for it. This platform, the CPI data release, the inflation data release is live there on the economic calendar. You can have a look at it. Also, you will find the live charts with the advanced tools, and you have a community for there to discuss with. Visit the platform, and yes, if you want to just trade as per the signals, you can join my signals channel or Telegram and join the free Telegram channel for live updates. With that, all the links are there in the channel and video description. Now, let's have a look at the daily chart. Now, look at the daily charts. First of all, this was the bullish move here. There was a reversal sign. Price is retraced towards the 20 and 50 period moving average. Again, there was a reversal sign, and since then we have seen it trading bullish. Now, what has happened here? It has achieved lower highs here. Lower highs suggest that in fact it can now move towards lower lows as well and try to trade in this. Where are the lows for this? The lows are far below at 16,000, 16,200 levels. Now this is a broader picture of the move here. Second observation here is, see, if you connect these four candles, the highs are beautifully aligned here. Thus, we have to wait for Tech 100 to break beyond 16,950 levels, which will confirm that now the reversal is seen and it is going to break past the all-time high levels. Yes, if it stays beyond 16,950 today, we are going to look forward to a massive rise. Why? See, one bullish candle and then a stepping stone is created, and then first bullish candle. Today's candle can be further bigger than this, which suggests that it can break past 17,000 as well. Next is, look at the divergence again from the moving average, which is right now sitting at 16,600, median at 16,700. And this suggests that possibly it will try to converge at some point of time today towards these levels. The next is, the candle has started flat and it has continued the bullish momentum. Now, a flat opening, and look at the preceding candles. If you connect this, you will find that there is a classical channel information here which suggests that 16,700 levels are going to be a greater support zone on the downside. Any break below 16,700 should be treated as a reversal, where we can look forward to 16,600 and 500 levels. The stochastic again back to extremely overbought levels, while the MACD, look at the MACD, after staying bearish, it has just converged, it has not yet crossed over, and today could be the day from where it could start to diverge, which means a stronger bearish candle here. RSI has reversed as well, V-shaped recovery, lower highs, it can reverse from the current levels. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell today at 16,845. Be careful at around 16,820. Then below 16,820, we can look forward to 16,760, 780 as the first target. Rather, I will say 740, 760 as the first target. And then below that, we can look forward to 16,700, 16,650. Any point of time, Tech 100 trading below 16,650, consider that as a reversal. On the upside, now I will recommend you to buy here at 16,920 levels. But then remember, yes, you can buy at 16,880 itself, but then remember 16,920, 16,950 are two very strong resistance. Once Tech 100 trades above 16,950 is where the real bullishness will be seen, where we can expect it to move towards 17,020 and 17,100 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Remember, if you are averse of risk, you should not trade the news. And if you're trading the news, the position should be small enough so that the account is not impacted. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Now US30 on the hourly charts, bullish here, it has retraced, got the support from the 20 period moving average and trying to reverse. Now if you see US30 again trading beyond 33,760 levels, we can buy, but then the real bullishness is only about 37,820 levels, beyond which we can expect that it is going to break past 37,920 and 38,000 levels. Moving averages are trading with divergence and still bullish. The stochastic has hit up oversold levels, it can try to rise. MACD is looking upwards and trying to trade with slide. On the 2-hour charts, double top or higher highs here, reversal, couple of bearish candles. Look from where the rise was seen and where the prices have come to. Thus, it is to be treated bearish. If it trades below 37,650, 640 zone, we can say now prices might try to achieve the lows here at around 37,550. Now 550, 500 is going to remain an extremely stronger support for US30. Now remember, it is trading in this bullish channel, but it is a narrowing triangle. If it breaks below 37,600, 550 zone, more bearishness is going to prevail here. Stochastic looking down, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI looking down as well. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, moving average is crossing over here and trading with divergence and bullishness. Look at the formation here, look at the formation here. Where is the bottom? Somewhere here at around 37,500, 550. Yes, prices are also divergent here, thus it can try to move towards these levels. Once you see prices staying below 37,600, I will recommend you to sell here at 37,670 itself, but then 640, 600 is a very good support, and then 550, 500. As long as 500 is there, we have to be watchful. Yes, it can achieve those levels. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is near to overbought zone. Coming to 4 hour charts, this is the first bearish candle almost forming the base and expanding triangle. Thus, once it stays on the downside, we can look forward to 37,600 and 500 levels here. Very, very good support there. Stochastic looking down, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, what US30 has done, it has achieved or retraced towards the 20 period moving average, got the support here at 20 period moving average, and now trying to rise. Now see, for the day it has got very, very strong resistance on the upside. Yes, it has moved towards 37,800 and almost double top is seen here. Look at the prices here, almost double top here, which means that prices are not willing to break past the preceding highs and a reversal from the current levels can be expected. Now, when can you confirm that prices has reversed? Only and only if 37,400 is taken, we can say it is reversed. Else it is trading in this bullish zone where 37,600 very good support, 500 and then 400 will be seen. As long as it stays above 37,400, we are not going to treat US30 as bearish. But what has happened, the drop, their retracement, and if it falls, it is going to be a vertical fall. Stochastic flat there near to top. MACD is still bearish. Look at MACD, it is crossed over at the top. It is trying to converge, and a divergence from here can lead to lower prices. RSI has come out of the overbought zone as well. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 37,670, expect 640, 600. 550, 500. As long as 500 is there, we have to be watchful. Below that also 450 and 400. 400 is the strongest support for US30. As long as it stays above 400, we are not going to treat US30 as bearish. On the upside, one can buy here at 37,830 levels. After that, we can look forward to a good bullish momentum, taking it till towards 37,910 and 38,000 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, webinar series, signals channel. Join the free Telegram channel for the live updates and visit the platform forexhonda.com. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Happy trading, trade with caution with the CPI data. Thank you.